So hi, Alethea here. I have a small pattern haul and also a small fabric haul. And that fabric haul is... So the first pattern that I have is McCall's 8661. It's a jumpsuit and you have 3 lengths and it takes... You have a button front and looks like it's pleated here. And I'm interested in view B, and you have a collar. And you need 7 half-inch buttons. The next one is V9187. It's a vintage, and you have 4 different versions of tops, sleeveless and non-sleeveless. It's top, fitted top through bust, has neckline variations, side front and side back seams, front hemline splits, and a back zipper. And B has a, let's see, B has a front belt, bow, and a knot to it. And this is B here. So the next one is S9399 Simplicity. These are window treatments. You have different 4 different varieties. You have the tri-valance, the standard valance, the scholar valance, and the Roman shed, which is for a single window. And this is how this is looking. And that's Simplicity $93.99. Okay, and the next one is the Mensa linen. It's black. It appeared to be gray. It's the lighting. This is the true color. Pretty black fabric. It's cotton woven linen, and it's breathable, absorbent, and a textured fabric. It can be washed and machine washed and dried. And let's see, the GSM in this fabric is 140. So it's a nice fabric. I wish it would truly show its color so you can see it, and it's breathable and it's slightly thin or see-through, making it nice and airy and light for the spring and summer weather. This fabric right here is 70% polyester, 30% visco, and it weighs 195 GSM, and it can be machine washed, cold and delicate, but hung to dry. And of course, I already have ideas. These are ordered for a particular project, upcoming project that I'm getting ready to work on. And so I watched this sewing channel. This is a lady, and her channel is called Nana's Classic Stitches, and she had a contest and I won. And this is the book that she sent me. It's Fashion Pattern Making Techniques, How to Make Skirts, Trousers, and Shirts for Women and Men. So it has a lot of information in it. So this is how thick the book is. And it has skirts, culottes, bodices, and blouses, men's shirts and trousers. It's very, very interested. It shows you how to make a lot of things. Trousers and the trouser measurements, fancy flounces, skirts and stuff like that. It is full of valuable information. This is pattern making, and what I like about the book, it shows each part shows you how to take your measurements for whatever pattern you are trying to make, in depth measurements. Like for the trousers, there's a very good information in this book. It shows the body part and measurements. There are a lot of measurements you can take, even for already made patterns, how to fit your pattern to your body. It's a lot of measurement: neck, knee, ankle, feet base, wrist. Because we usually just more commonly use the bust, waist, and hips. But these are measurements that are in here are more precise to fitting the garment to the body. Your shoulders. So it's a very interesting book, and it shows you how to make all types of pockets, collars. Just very interesting. A nice guide. Everything. So, and I knew she was going to send the book, but she sent me another surprise too. I'm trying to get to this part where I, measurement for the bodice. Your neck circumference, waist, and then it's the abdomen measurement. Your torso and your bust. Center bust height. Then the center of the arm. Real shoulder width, real wrist length. A lot of things to consider even when you're making a pattern. Even when you're sewing from a regular garment to fit the pattern to your body. That was a nice gift. Thank you, Nana. And she also sent something else, and another book, 40 plus stitches, all the basics and beyond, handy pocket guide, beaded embroidery. And she sent some beads as well. Wasn't that nice, Nana? And in here you have the embroidery needles of different sizes, and also some thread, embroidery thread. So this is how the book is looking. Different types of embroidery features. The lazy daisy stitch. Just I'm gonna flip through it so you can see the world of embroidery with bead embroidery. Go over there and visit Nana at Nana Classic Stitches. She is a wonderful sewist. and has a lot of good content on her channel as well. And if you want to support this channel, all you have to do is like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for visiting with me. I appreciate you all. Sweet Sewing Inspiration. I'll see you in the next video.